Smallsplace here, and today I'm doing a brand new video, and today's video is going to be a what's inside video. So what I'm doing a what's inside video on is my Xbox controller. It is only a Xbox 360 controller, but it's still going to be a cool what's inside video. So let's get right into it. So guys, the controller is right here. It is on the Xbox 360. I took the batteries out so that nothing would happen. So let's get right into it. So guys, the remote is right there, and let's get right into this.
Boom, bam, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. Oh!
Now that's a lot of damage!
Let's look at it.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Here's some pieces of it. So guys, we are getting okay, I think there's pieces everywhere. This is what the controller now looks like.
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
The controller is very much broken. Now let's try to get inside of it. Guys, you know what the normal Xbox controller looks like. So this is pretty much the before. This is a different controller, but this is literally what it looked like before. So now, it's in pieces. So you know this button right about there? So this is the plastic piece that's under it. Then there's more pieces, a ton of broken up pieces, and then the X, A, B, and Y, and the shell, and some more, like the bottom piece, then the top, and then the actual controller itself. So this is like the joystick thing.
Wrong.
When how the joysticks move.
Wrong.
But this is really cool. It's kind of like the motherboard of the controller.
But I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
When